Hi, I'm Andrea Brown, Head of Channel and Partnerships at OpenSpace, and today I'm so pleased to be joined by Lewis. Hi, Lewis.
Hi, Andrea.
So nice to have you. Can you start by telling everyone what your role at OpenSpace is?
Sure. So I'm one of the account executives here at OpenSpace, and my role is basically covering all of our accounts within the Midlands, the north of the UK, up to Scotland, and also parts of the Nordics with Norway as well.
Perfect, lovely. So I know that you have become quite passionate about how OpenSpace works well with subcontractors, and I'd love you just to share with our audience, why is it such a fit for subbies?
Sure. So subcontractors at the moment and in the past have basically been going around and tracking their progress with predominantly just taking standalone still pictures and put it onto a spreadsheet. And that process has been taking them hours on site. We've got some contractors that are using us, and it's been taking them 4, 5, 6 hours, basically half a day, to go through and actually see where they're at in terms of progress. Whereas now they're using OpenSpace, they can go through, attach their camera to their hard hat, and capture the progress within 60 to 90 minutes.
That's amazing. And just paint a picture for us of the kind of subcontractors that we're working with, or who make a good fit for OpenSpace.
Sure. So we're working all across the board, to be honest. We have mechanical and electrical contractors that are using us, so some of the big boys, but also working down to some of the smaller niche fit out contractors like the drylining contractors as well, and sort of specialists within mechanical and electrical as well.
When it comes to challenges, what sort of things are you seeing?
So in terms of challenges, I would say one of them is actually having a sort of visual record of things that are happening on site. We have a contract that's based over in Liverpool, and something that's a common occurrence for them is that they're getting these sort of cleanup notices from the main contractor, whereas now they can go through with OpenSpace and actually physically see what's happened on site on a particular date, and ensure that the site is in a sort of cleanly way as well.
And so, I excuse my ignorance, on a cleanup note, is that something that's just emailed over? Is it like a PDF? Like, what does that look like today?
Sure. So a cleanup notice is basically a bill from the main contractor where they're saying you owe £100 for somebody that's had to come out, i.e. a third party, to come and clean the site for you. So they can go through, ensure the quality of the site now, and if there's anything that needs to be moved out of the way or cleaned up, they can do so because they've got full visibility on what's happening on site.
That makes such a difference, right? Because it saves them money, but also probably from a reputation perspective, if you're getting less cleanup notices, that's got to be a good thing.
Yeah, I guess so, yes.
Awesome. Well, Lewis, thank you so much for spending a bit of time today to just tell us a bit about subcontractors and why OpenSpace is a great fit. We can't wait to hear more.
Thanks for having us.